VOS. Speaking engine for computer screen readers, aiding the Vietnamese blind community. According to WHO, in 2015 285 million people are estimated to be visually impaired all over the world, in which 39 million are completely blind. Particularly, in Vietnam this number is 2 million. These people have many difficulties in accessing information, learning, and working as well. Most of them have dependent lives and 90% of them are living in low-income settings. There have been many efforts to support visually impaired people, such as dedicated partners, tactile writing systems, especially computer. Computer is one of the most effective approaches for this problem. Because with a computer, one can easily access to the world. In order to interact with the computer, visually impaired people rely on a navigation software called screen reader. Basically, screen readers attempt to describe what is displaying on the screen by speech. In other words, it turns the visual output of the standard user interface into audio output that can be perceived by blind users. Screen readers employ a technology called text-to-speech, or TTS, to accomplish this task. Nowadays, many screen readers have been developed, such as NVDA, JAWS, and Orca on personal computers, and VoiceOver and TalkBack on mobile devices. Among them, NVDA and TalkBack are dominant open sources. The problem is that none of them support Vietnamese language well. Aiming to community services, especially to enable Vietnamese blind people to interact with computer and smart devices, we have developed a Vietnamese TTS engine, namely, Voice of Southern Vietnam, or VOS. VOS was designed with plug-and-play mechanism to be integrated into NVDA for PC and TalkBack for smartphones. VOS was developed at Artificial Intelligence Lab, Ho Chi Minh University of Science. Founded in 2008, AI Lab has the mission to be a center for R&D, training and application development. We have a professional team with 7 senior members and many research students led by Professor Vu Hai Quan.
Ưu điểm đó là cái bộ đọc này nó cũng tương đối là gọn nhẹ. Chúng tôi có 2 phiên bản, một cái phiên bản dành cho những cái điện thoại mà có cấu hình lớn, có những cấu hình mạnh, còn cũng có một cái phiên bản dành cho những cái điện thoại cấu hình nhỏ.
VOS is a text-to-speech engine for Vietnamese, initiated by a national project in 2009. Its function is to convert text to speech. VOS was designed with platform-independent feature to be integrated in various systems. We received the Vietnamese National Talent Award in 2009. To keep balance between processing speed and voice quality, VOS was constructed based on a hybrid structure, in which unit selection approach is used for low-capacity systems to optimize the speed, and parameter synthesis approach is used for strong computing systems to obtain high-quality voice. The TTS engine has a front-end processing, namely text normalization to convert raw input text to standard text, and a back-end processing that synthesizes speech from the text. The main purpose of VOS is to enable visually impaired people to interact with the computer by integrating into voice navigation softwares. In this framework, whenever user performs any control, a raw text is generated by the navigator and passed to TTS engine through a bridged interface. This text is normalized and based on it, speech is synthesized. The synthetic speech is then played back by the navigator to let the user know what has been done. Until now, we have developed 2 products of voice navigation supporting Vietnamese language, VOS integrated with NVDA for PC, and VOS integrated with Google TalkBack for smartphone. These projects were received a lot attentions from the community, and sponsored by USAID, CRS, the Ministry of Education and Training, and the Ministry of Information and Communications. One of the highlighted features of VOS is the ability to synthesize dialect voices, including voices of the North, Center and South of Vietnam.
Xin chào tất cả mọi người.
Xin chào tất cả mọi người.
Xin chào tất cả mọi người.
In addition, VOS provides an option for reading speed.
Xin chào tất cả mọi người. Xin chào tất cả mọi người. Xin chào tất cả mọi người.
Our products are being in the pilot stage. On PC, our product was experimentally deployed in junior schools in many provinces and cities throughout the country. such as Ho Chi Minh, Hanoi, Ninh Binh, Quang Binh, etc. Over 120 visually impaired students have used the software, reported with very positive feedbacks. On smartphone, there has been more than 1,000 downloads of our product on Google Play. Beside Voice Navigator, VOS was officially deployed on spoken websites of the Ministry of Information and Communication, the Ministry of Construction, and many other applications. Here is an example speech on the spoken website.
Góp ý, dự thảo thông tư liên tịch về chức năng nhiệm vụ của Sở Thông tin và Truyền thông.
Let's listen to what the visually impaired people talk about our products.
Thứ nhất là cho chúng tôi được xóa bỏ cái khoảng cách với thế giới này. Hồi xưa nghe bảo mù là coi như là mù thông tin rồi ha. Bây giờ chúng tôi được tiếp cận đến tất cả.
Rồi anh hiểu.
Thật sự là em rất thích cái phần mềm này. Tại vì cái giọng nam nghe rất là dễ thương. Đó là cái từ điển nó cũng hay đó. Nhiều khi có những từ mình đâu có hiểu. Hiểu cái cách là gì ta. Mình có thể để trước nó rất là hay.
Our future mission plan will be implemented and contributed this product for languages in ASEAN community. All versions of products are providing freely on the internet. You can access them at the links below. Please give us your feedback. We and you will create a better world for visually impaired people.